Hey guys, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In this guide, we will show you the easy steps that you can follow to configure the action button of your iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 so that it can be used to turn on silent mode whenever you press it. The action button on your iPhone is customizable, which means you can assign a number of actions to this button, one of them being silent mode. To make this button turn on silent mode on your iPhone, simply launch the Settings app and go to the Action button menu. Here, scroll towards the left side so that the silent mode option gets selected. After selecting this option, you can exit the Settings app. Now, when you press and hold the Action button, your device should go into silent mode. You can press and hold the button again to bring your device back to the ring mode. That's it. This is how you can configure your iPhone's Action button to toggle between silent and ring modes on your device. If you found this tip helpful, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.